Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Looking at another McCulloch, a timber bearer for Kent. This thing didn't take too much to get going, thankfully. Pretty clean. Still need to sharpen the chain, but had to give a good test run. Really, the only thing wrong with it was garbage in the carburetor because somebody had installed a new fuel hose that wasn't fuel hose. It was automotive vacuum hose, so it had swollen up. It was the wrong size. It hogged out the hole in the tank, so I had to put a grommet on that. But with the right hose, cleaning the garbage out of the carburetor and putting a pickup filter on it, there she is. So, anyway, Kent, I'll get the chain sharpened, and then you'll have a good mess of saws to pick up here real soon.